Prompt Engineering Training Session 53. Repetition. Repeating the same word within a prompt or similar phrases can cause the model to emphasize that word in the generated image. 1. For example, at Philip Isola generated these waterfalls with doll. A beautiful painting of a mountain next to a waterfall. A very 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 beautiful painting of a mountain next to a waterfall. The emphasis on the word very seems to improve generation quality. Repetition can also be used to emphasize subject terms. For example, if you want to generate an image of a planet with aliens, using the prompt "a planet with aliens 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 aliens" will make it more likely that aliens are in the resultant image. The following images are made with stable diffusion. A planet with aliens. A planet with aliens 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 aliens. Notes. This method is not perfect, and using weights, next article, is often a better option.